So you mentioned so many issues that I really would like to tackle on one by one. First of all, I read shorter reports about the fact that the 16% of the world gas reserve um, are actually northern dome, respectively, in the southern parts of Janubi in Persian. So it means the about 16% of the world gas reserve are actually deposited in this region. Now, in the last report, they said that Qatar and Iran, they divided between themselves the 8% and the other 8%. Now, the excavations that they did to reach the gas, make that fluid to send to the Europe and Southeastern Asia, apparently the every type of excavation that will be done on the Qatari side are reaching to the natural gas resources, but the Iranian parts deliberately and according to the reports intentionally, the excavations are exactly dug in the places where they cannot reach the gas, and every simple excavation and every single pillar that they are digging down there to reach the natural resources have to be delivered previously prior to that to the Qatari emirs to approve it. So it means if they would know that's a failure, they would approve it. That's what the actually reports are talking about. It means actually all the beyond all the sanctions that happened on the Iranian side, there is also a strategic failure deliberately done, executed by the Qataris, that those excavations would not reach the natural resources. What do you think about that?
Yeah, we have had significant production from the Iranian sector of the South Pars or North Dome field, but all of that have gone for the domestic consumption. We never got a chance to export even 1 cubic feet of that gas. Gas is a commodity which is very valuable if you can export it. And when you say 16% of the gas reserve, it's very important where it's located. When it's in the somewhere which is few thousand miles far from sea or ocean, its value is less than when it's right in the Persian Gulf, ready to export. Therefore, the location is very, very important. The size is huge. And something which is very important for gas export is the security of demand and supply. Because gas is not like oil. In oil, you can produce it, put it in the tanker, and ship it to anywhere in the world. Depends on your customer, depends on which refinery is going to purchase your crude oil. About gas, it's a mutual project. A buyer and a seller usually go to 25, 30, 35 years contract because it's a mutual uh, investment. I want to sell gas to you. I'm Qatar or Iran, and you are Singapore or Taiwan or Japan. So, because I want to ensure that when I spend this huge amount of money for pipeline or for LNG tankers and processing facilities, you buy it from me at least for 30 years, 35 years, I get you involved. So let's go 50 for 50 or 70, 30%. So that gives us a security that I know this is my buyer and you get a security. I've got supply for 3 or 4 decades or half a century. About Iran, since this government, this regime has been under sanction because of its behavior, because of its stupid international general policy, the Iranian people, the Iranian nation, didn't have this privilege to use the income of these gas fields for development of the country. And this is not the only gas field. We've got gas fields in the southwest, in the northeast. Right now, the gas export rate of Iran is zero. Zero.